Hello viewers, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be work on very interesting topic. So how to calculate YTD, MTD, YTD, QTD, MTD, comma WTD week to date in SQL. So how we can calculate these things in SQL? What is the SQL query we can write to be calculate these things? Let's go for write it. So it's very important and very frequently when you go for product-based organizations, they will ask you such kind of questions. So let me show you that how you can write it. So simply I can write select start from. I have a table called as stores. Let me execute it, connect that, and try to be change my database to SH and execute it. Okay, I have a this table. Select start from stores. So from this, first I want to be calculated. Select um, year of year to date. We can calculate it first. So here I can add that year of order underscore date, comma sales. Okay, year of order date, comma sales, comma. We can have that and sum of sales over partition by. So I want to be partition by year of order, order by order underscore date. I can take it. Okay, so here we do that rows between unbound date preceding unbound preceding function. We can use it to be get the values and current row. So I want to get the each and every row from starting to the current row. All right. So as I can take it as YTD. Okay. So year of order date, comma sales, comma sum of sales. So let me spread this scoring. So you can see, excuse me, from stores. I can mention that from stores. Let me execute it. Uh, Unbound preceding. The spelling was wrong. Let me execute it. Now you can see that's I can take it as year of order date as year. Let me execute it back. So we can get the sales. You can see 2021 16.1448, 16.448 plus 3.54, 19.98. So it will be get aggregated until end of this year. If we go with next year 2022, let me pull that. Yeah, similar here. The end of that 2021 here, the total sales is 49,014, 4,94,000 something, right? So again, when the new year's comes, it will be started again freshly, the aggregation 452 plus 85 plus 89 plus like that. Okay, so that's a YTD. So similarly, we can go for write that QTD calculation. That's we can go for use that date part, quarter, order underscore date as quarter. I can give the name, right? Give the comma, and you can go for use the same uh, sum of sales over partition by year of order underscore date, comma. Here we use that department as well. So quarter as well, right? D name. We can take this and put it here. Okay, date part quarter of that. Order by order underscore date and rows between unbounded, preceding and current row. Okay, as QTD I can mention it. So before writing this, forgot to add the comma over here. So try to execute this query. So we can get the QTD. It would be quarter to date. So if any case you want to add the Q here, Q1, Q2, Q3 kind of thing, you can use the concat function. Concat and single quotations. You can mention quarter comma date part and take this entire thing and put it over here in the group by, I mean partition by, right? So here one more bracket we required and here one more bracket we required. So let me execute this. We have the year and quarter. Each quarter wise the calculation get be uh, recalculated from the quarter wise. Next, let's go for write the MTD calculation. Just let me go for give it here month of order date underscore date as month I can mention it comma. So let me copy the same code over here for the quarter, right? So just we can do copy paste comma paste and here you can add the month of order date order underscore date, right? So we had it sum of sales month of order underscore date order by onboarding. Just simply you can make it as MTD. Okay, very simple. If you get one thing, you can go for write all the MTD, QTD, YTD. Right? Let's go for execute this. So we can get the MTD as well. So you want to get the week to date, week date as well. So date part. So week we mention it order underscore date, right? As a week. So directly we don't have the week function. That's why we are using the date part. So make it comma over here and keep this calculation. Okay, let's copy this entire code, Control C, and enter over here and make it comma and paste. Right, so we have the quarter, month. After the month, you just mention that copy this code, date part of week of order date. Okay, just go by partition by that. Okay, so make it as Q week to date. Right, let's go for execute it. Very simple. So now we are getting that week to date. If I want to show that month 1, 2, 3 it's showing, right? I don't want to show the month 1, 2, 3. It's January, February. I want it. Then whereas in month you have it. Uh, date name. Do we have the date name function? Let's check this. Date name as a month. You can take this function date name. Excuse me. And put it here and replace with the month order date to date name of month. All right. So let's go for execute this. So we are getting the months each month. So we are getting those values, right? Now, just I want to see that I don't want to go for these many years, where I want to see only current year, where year of order underscore date is equal to 2024. I want to see only current year data, right? So I'm giving this condition and execute this trade. Now we can see that. So 2024 Q1, February 5th month data. All right. So order by, order date, order date, order date. So we just go for make that order by of month and quarter and year, so we can get the proper order. So we can see that how the data is getting calculated. So this is the way we can write it, MTD, QTD, YTD in a SQL. So it's very important. You should be know that how we can write this. Mainly we can use a partition by and unbound preceding. So it is we are not aggregating anywhere, just until current row we get it. We can running some we do that. That's the total value we can get it. Okay, that's all about this video. So if you want to be write QTD, MTD, YTD and week to date, so you can go for refer this SQL statement. Thank you. So I want to be showing you this YTD, MTD, QTD in the different ways. So in the next video, we can go for check that how we can calculate the same YTD, QTD, MTD in the using the different functions and different methods. Thank you all. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and follow it. I would like to share more number of videos and it should be reach out to the n number of people. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.